हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हम बिहार इकोनॉमिक सर्वे के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स देखेंगे फॉर रिवीजन पर्पस इन वेरी few minutes, just like in 10 minutes we will complete it. बिहार इकोनॉमिक सर्वे कब आया? 28 फरवरी 2025 में. हु रिलीज्ड बिहार इकोनॉमिक सर्वे? सम्राट चौधरी. ये अब तक का कौन सा इकोनॉमिक सर्वे था? ये था 19th. GSDP at current price is 8.54 lakh crore and GSDP at constant price is 4.64 lakh crore. NHDP at current price is 7.71 lakh crore and NHDP at constant price is 4.64 lakh crore. Per capita GSDP at current price is 66828. Per capita GSDP at current price is 66828 and per capita GSDP at constant price is 36333. ये फैक्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि ये PYQ में आया हुआ है, ये 17th BPSC में आया हुआ है. एंड अगर हम यहाँ पे इंडिया की देख लें तो इंडिया का पर कैपिटा GSDP एट करंट प्राइस है 184,205. पर कैपिटा GSDP ऑफ इंडिया एट करंट प्राइस इज 184,205 एंड पर कैपिटा GSDP ऑफ इंडिया एट कांस्टेंट प्राइस इज 106,744. पर कैपिटा GSDP ऑफ इंडिया एट कांस्टेंट प्राइस इज 106,744. नाउ वी विल लुक फॉर shares of different sector. Primary sector 19.9%, secondary sector 21.5% and tertiary sector 58.6%. And growth rate of primary sector is 5.7%, growth rate of secondary sector is 8.2% and growth rate of tertiary sector is 10.8%. Gross fiscal deficit is 4.2% of GSDP. Employment in primary sector is 54.2%, employment in secondary sector is 23.6% and employment in tertiary sector is 22.2%. Combined inflation is 7.5%. Cropping intensity is 1.42 and maximum cropping intensity is in Supaul. Net sown area is 51.13 lakh hectare. Jute production maximum in Kishanganj and in fruit production maximum produced fruit is mango, after then banana is produced. Parag scheme is related with beekeeping. Wells are most used for irrigation. Labor force participation rate is 55%. Sankalp is a skill development scheme and it is funded by World Bank. युवा मॉडल फॉर स्टार्टअप बिहार. युवा स्टैंड फॉर, वाई स्टैंड फॉर यस टू स्टार्टअप, यू स्टैंड फॉर अनलॉक रूल्स टू सप्लीमेंट देम, वी वाइब्रेंट एजुकेशन सिस्टम एंड ए स्टैंड फॉर एक्सेस टू मनी एंड हेल्प. भाव्या एप्लीकेशन इज रिलेटेड टू हेल्थ सेक्टर. बिहार रैंक 8 इन रोड नेटवर्क. अर्बनाइजेशन रेट इन बिहार इज 11.3%. Literacy rate is 61.8%. Male literacy rate is 71.2% and according to NSS, male literacy rate is 79.7%. Female literacy rate according to Census 2011, this is according to Census 2011, it is 51.50 and according to NSS, it is 60.5%. Child budget started in 2013-2014. Average rainfall in Bihar is 1004 mm and highest rainfall is in Kishanganj and lowest rainfall is in Kaimur. And which branch of monsoon contribute maximum rainfall in Bihar? It is southwest monsoon. Thank you friends.